Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to Sew with Mediva. And if you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, thank you for sticking to my channel. So in our last video, we unboxed some beginner sewing tools that I got on Temu. So if you want to shop these tools on the Temu app, or if you want to shop on the Temu app, you can use my code displayed on the screen to get 30% discount with qualifying orders. And this promotion is for new app users. So whenever you download the Temu app, make sure to use my code to shop to qualify for this promo. And you can also use the second code displayed on the screen to get 0 naira gifts with qualifying orders. And like I said earlier, this promotion is for new app users, or if you had the Temu app before and you want to like re-download it, maybe you don't have it anymore, you want to re-download it, so you still qualify for this promo. So use this particular code on the screen to get 0 naira gifts with qualifying orders. So guys, rush and download the Temu app now and use my code to shop. So in today's video, we're going to be testing out 2 out of the 10 tools that we got that I showed you guys last week. So I already released some short videos showing you guys a closer view of some of these tools, but for some particular ones I would like us to have a hands-on try on it so that you guys can understand how it works. So if this is something you are interested in, make sure to keep watching and make sure you watch till the end. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. So guys, the first tool we'll be trying out today is this rotary cutting tool. Let me show you guys closely. We'll be testing out this rotary cutting tool today. So I'll leave the link of this product to shop this product in the description box, and I'll also leave it pinned in the comment section. And this particular rotary cutter came with 5 extra blades. So if you know this tool very well, there are different types of it. We have the electric one, we have the one that uses battery, and then we have this manual one. So I'll strongly recommend this one for a beginner. Maybe you don't have access to constant electricity, so this one would work for you without charging or without electricity. So it came with 5 blades, so that means if this particular blade is blunt, you can just go ahead to replace it with one of your 5 blades. So we're going to use this particular tool to cut on our fabric, and I'm going to record it live for you guys to see how well it can perform. So the rotary cutter is currently locked, and I'm going to press this black button here so you can see that it has released the blade now. So we're going to test it on this Ankara fabric. It is not folded. So if your table is not strong like mine, you need to lay a cotton mat or any old cloth so that it doesn't cut through your table. So this is the first cut. And I noticed that you have to apply a bit of pressure on it when cutting. So this is the second time. And this is what we have. You can see how easy it is. So I'm going to fold this fabric into 2 now to test the strength. And then I'll go ahead to cut it out. So make sure to apply pressure on it when cutting. So you can see how easy that one was. So I'll do it again for you guys to see. And this is what we have. Wow, this is really impressive for a cutting tool that doesn't use electricity. So I'm going to further fold the fabric into 4 now. Let's test how strong the blade is. And wow, you can see how easy that is. I'm really impressed with this tool. So the last and final one is to fold the fabric into 8. So I'll fold it into 4 now, and then I'll further fold it into 8 for us to test the strength of the cutter. So at this point you need to apply even more pressure on it so that it can cut your fabric very well. And this is it guys, it cut out the fabric smoothly. So I highly recommend this particular tool for any beginner or any sewist. I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys to shop. So the second tool that we'll be testing today is our set of metric rulers. So I have about 6 pieces here. So this set of metric rulers are very important if you love pattern drafting. So I'm also going to leave the link of this product in the description box and also in the comment section. I'm going to show you guys the function of each of these rulers and their names. I'm also going to put them to test. So the first ruler I'm going to be showing you guys is the straight ruler. So this particular tool, the reason why I love it is this flexible nature. So this tool is a flexible tool, so it cannot break, as you can see, so you don't have to be too careful around it. So this is the straight ruler. It is about 21 inches long. This is 21 inches long. So this ruler is used to make your vertical lines or your horizontal line. So as a beginner, you should always use your ruler when you are marking on your paper or on your fabric, so that to get a very neat finishing. Because if your lines are not straight, trust me, that cloth is not going to come out looking neat. And because it is transparent and the lines on it, it guides you to know when your ruler is straight or not straight. And there are two pieces of it in this set. This one is the shorter one. This one is about 18 inches long, while this is 21 inches long. So these are for your vertical lines and for your horizontal lines, straight rulers. Next on the list is the French curve. This is one very important tool in pattern drafting. It is used to give you that perfect armhole curve. I'm still going to show you guys on the pattern paper. It is used for your armhole curve and also for your circular neckline. This tool is very important in pattern drafting. So you can see the demo I attached to the screen. So this tool is very important in pattern drafting. It is called a French curve. The next one I have here is this one is the hip curve, or you can also call it a bigger French curve. It is used to connect from the waistline down to the hip to give that curved effect, like that very curved effect. You use this type of roller for it, and you can also use it to connect your circular neckline. As you can see, it looks just like this one, but this one is more curved than this. If you look at it very well, you see that this particular armhole curve is more curved than this. And the next one is this particular circular ruler. This particular one is also called the circular pattern master. It is used for finishing curved edges. As you can see it's a circular ruler. Maybe you're drafting out a pattern that requires a curve at the edge or something. This is the ruler that you're going to use for it. And you can also use it for your buttonholes. You can see that it has buttonholes with different sizes. You can use it to create buttonholes on your fabric, as you can see. And you can also use it for your darts. When you want to connect the curved part of your darts, you can decide to use any of these holes. So this is called the circular pattern master. Last but not the least is this pattern master itself. This particular ruler is the most important out of every other one here, because this one consists of everything that we have here. Let me explain that. So this particular part is the straight ruler, which is this. So you can use it to make your straight curve, although it is not as long as this. It's same thing as this straight ruler, as you can see. So you can use this part for your horizontal lines and your vertical line. If you're in the major tool I use, ruler I use is my pattern master, because I have all in one. I have everything in one here. And the other, and then let's move to the next one. So this particular one you are seeing here is the French curve. Let me show you guys the one for the armhole. So guys, can you see what I'm trying to say? So this particular part of this ruler can serve the purpose of this French curve. That is why it is called a pattern master. So this particular one that we call the hip curve is the same, it has the hip curve ruler on this side. So your pattern master can still serve the same purpose that this ruler is serving. I hope you guys understand. So this particular part can be used to connect from the waist to the hip. I'll show you guys all this in the practical session. So this is the hip curve, as you can see. The only one I can really say is not included here is this. That's why it is also called a curved pattern master. It is not included here, but if you have this pattern master, you can actually do a lot with it. It is the most important part of every ruler set, but not everybody understands the different things that it can do. So as a beginner, it is important that you get your other rulers ready, so that you don't get confused on how to use the pattern master. So guys, that is all we'll be testing today: our rotary cutter and our set of metric rulers. So these tools I will recommend every beginner to have them, as it's going to make work easier for you. So guys, I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you learned something new. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, share to your loved ones, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.